Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on themed memories in Google Photos on computer. So how to turn on themed memories in Google Photos on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there are lots of menu options. Then tap the Settings menu. Well, here it is already in the Settings menu. And here there are lots of setting options that you can use. Scroll down to find the Memories menu. Well, here you have found it. And tap the Memories menu. Well, it will appear like this. Scroll down. And tap here to turn on themed memories. This feature allows users to activate themed memories in Google Photos on their computer so that photos and videos are displayed in collections with a certain theme automatically. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on themed memories in Google Photos on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.